Today I'm going to show you guys how to beat Professor Evil Week 31, part number 2. We are playing on Space Station, and it is a Friday challenge, aka an easy challenge. As you can see right here, we have to survive until round 24, rewards 500 medallions, and our loadout is going to be bomb, dartling gunner, and a spike factory. It says here that it starts on round 13 with 12k cash, but Ninja Kiwi must have made a mistake because it actually starts on round 22, I believe, with like 40k cash. So it is going to be a bit easier to complete. Anyway, guys, do me a quick favor. If you aren't already subscribed, please consider subscribing, because according to YouTube, only 38% of people watching are actually subscribed. So I would really appreciate it. And of course, like that smash button as well. Let's see if we can hit 4 likes on today's video, but let's just get right into it. So starting out, what you want to do right away is go for a 4-2 spike factory over here on the left side. And then next up, you want to go for mob maulers, and you just want to spam as many of these down as you can. Just 0-3, just focus on putting down just a bunch of them. You can go ahead and use your eco boost if you want to. You don't really need to, but yeah, there you go. Feel free to use an empowered tower boost as well, and you don't even need to place down this many. I would just get down a bunch. And yeah, you can also go ahead and target them too strong, but you don't even need to. As you can see, it easily takes care of that rush. And of course, the spike factory here will be there to help pick up everything. I think I got like, how many did I have up? Like, I have 11 up. You can easily defend this with like 7 or 8, so you don't even need this many. And yeah, this is pretty much going to be it. You've got a couple boosts left. You even got monkey acid, which you can also use in case you feel like it, or if you don't place this down quick enough and you're leaking lives to the AI from the beginning, then you can also use it. But yeah, this is pretty much like the easiest way to beat this challenge. So there you go. The most important thing is just to place the spike factory down as quick as possible, and then just place these down. And yeah, there you go. Enjoy your 500 medallions, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.